Hi there YouTube. It's a great day for a ride. I love this route due to its greenery and fresh air. There's also hardly much traffic on this road. And today I would like to share with you an incident that had happened to me the other day, and that got me thinking about the tires and type of rims on my bike. By the way, I ride a Kawasaki Vulcan 900B Classic, which comes with spokes rims and is tubed. Well, that was where the problem was. As I was heading to the office the other day, I developed a puncture on my rear tire. Fortunately, I was able to ride it ever so cautiously to a nearby petrol kiosk, from where I called up roadside assist for a tow. It was a good thing I had taken the bike warranty insurance scheme that provided for such assistance for any form of breakdowns one may encounter while riding one's bike. While waiting for the tow truck to arrive, I called up my regular mechanic to inform him what had transpired, and that I'm awaiting for the tow truck to bring the bike to his workshop to fix the puncture on my rear tire. It was then that I was shocked to hear him say that I shouldn't, because he didn't have the inner tube for my VN900, and actually advised me to take it to a particular bike service station where they had the tubes. That was rather disappointing, and it certainly rang some alarms in my head. Anyway, I proceeded to inform the tow truck of my decision to take the bike to this particular service center instead. It was after having got my tires repaired that I started to reflect on the incident. I am not going into the advantages and disadvantages of tube tire against tubeless, but rather into the practicality of it based on my recent experience. While there may be owners of tube tires who may have not experienced a puncture, I was unfortunate that just having owned my Vulcan 900, I had to experience one. The experience made me realize that while most motorcycle mechanics here knew how to repair a puncture, be it on a tube or tubeless bike, the question was, did they carry the relevant bike tubes in their shop? While on the other hand, the tubeless tire can be repaired by any mechanic, since all you needed was the repair kit. It was then that I realized that in the event that I plan long distance riding, crossing different borders perhaps, I may have to actually carry both the front and rear tubes as a backup in the event I develop a puncture and I could not source a tube locally. Then the other question would be, how many spare tubes am I going to actually carry on such rides? But then again, I may be missing something here. As in my opinion, I feel that if you had a tubeless tires on, then all you needed was to carry the repair kit, which probably you could do it on your own, or you could take it to any mechanic who would help you to actually fix the puncture. Anyway, I actually hope that experienced riders out there will share their thoughts and experience as well, and may be able to give me some advice as well as how to overcome this, or can I actually change my tubed tires to tubeless, because I have been actually asking around a number of shops around here in Malaysia, as well as checking out on the internet. I can't seem to find any dealers here that actually deals with tubeless rims. So appreciate if you can give me a heads up on where I could actually get one for my Vulcan 900 Classic. Till then, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Regards, and ride safe.